Assalamu alaikum. I'm Playa Barakatuh. Now let's start significance of mitosis or importance of mitosis. And the most important point regarding this mitosis is that it maintains the normal number of chromosomes. It maintains the normal number of chromosomes of a species. Means mitosis is an equation division in which two daughter cells produced are identical to each other. So mitosis usually occur in the somatic cells of animals. Means usually all the somatic cells of the animals, or the you can say for the growth and the replacement of worn out cells. And in plants, only in the meristematic tissues, only actively growing cells. Another significance is that it plays a significant role in replacement of cell. Means the cells which are wear and tear and the cells which are lost during one formation, so they are just all healed up by this cell division only by the mitosis process. And it is of course helpful in the growth of an organism. Without that you cannot imagine for it, because the life starts from the single cell only, and that only divide and re-divide to form an organism. So it's helpful in growth of an organism. And mitosis helps the cell in maintaining the proper size also. And it is the method of asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Means unicellular organism, lower organism, in that the reproduction occurs through this cell division only. Means asexual reproduction, what happened, the parent or the parent cell just divide to give daughter cells or the young ones. So that is just the mitotic division only, where the same number of chromosome is maintained. But if it become uncontrolled, then it is very harmful also. Then it may cause tumor or cancerous growth. Now let's start cell cycle. So a cell cycle or cell division cycle is the series of events in a cell leading to its division and duplication of its DNA to produce two daughter cells. Means the process which we discussed just now, the different phases of the karyokinesis and cytokinesis, that is actually the cell cycle. Means how the all events occur during the formation of daughter cells. So this is all about the cell cycle. Means interphase, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. This is all the part of cell cycle. Cell cycle is just like we study the life cycle of different organisms. So it starts from adult, and in the last it will be adult only. Means from the adult lay egg or give the young ones, and then if some organism which goes through the metamorphosis, so say changes occur in the last, it forms the adult only. In the same way, the new cell is formed, and after that it go through the different stages or different event occur there, and then in the last the mature cell is formed. And when the mature is ready, then it has again started for the further event, means for the division, and this will be continued. A cell cycle may be defined as a series of events in a cell leading to an increase in the mass or cytoplasmic component of the cell, duplication of DNA, and then division of nucleus and cytoplasm of the cell, and finally forming two daughter cells. This all we discussed in the mitosis just now. So these all the events come in the cell cycle only. A cell cycle extends from the time a cell is formed till the time it completes division. So from at the time when it forms, and then till the division completes, and when it gets the maturity, then again the cell division starts. So this is all about the cell cycle. Cell cycle include two phases: interphase and mitosis. Now what is the difference between mitosis in animal cell and the plant cell? So first difference is that only that it is occur in animal cell in all the somatic cells, all the body cell except the reproductive cells, and in plant cells it is only occur in the meristematic tissues, actively dividing tissues only. And another difference of the centrosome is present in the animal cell and it is absent in the plant cell. And then cytokinesis Cytokinesis, that is also I told you, in animal cells it is a start from periphery to the center, means invagination is start from the periphery and it moves towards the center. But in plant cells, what happened, the cell plate form at the equator in the middle of the cell, and then this cell plate move towards the periphery. This is the difference. And astral formation, of course, when the centrosome is not there, when centriole is not there in the animal cells, so astral formation are also not occur. So astral are not formed in astral are not formed in the plant cell, but it is there, and they are there in the animal cell.